Greetings everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Dial Bank, India's first financial helpline. So by the title, you already know what we'll be talking about today. But before jumping into the video, let me set a premise through these headlines. Jack Dorsey sells his first tweet ever as an NFT for over 2.9 million US dollars. Beeple sold an NFT for around 69 million US dollars. An animated GIF of a cat, yes, an animated GIF of a cat was sold for more than 500,000 US dollars. Now you know what is the value of an NFT, but the question still stands, what is it? Don't worry, I'll do the work for you. So NFT stands for non-fungible token. अरे भाई पर ये fungible क्या होता है? Okay, let's get this straight. If you have a 100 rupee note, it can be divided into two 50 rupee notes, or 10 rupee notes, or maybe 20 5 rupee coins. Thus, money is a fungible asset. That is, it can be divided and interchanged without losing its value. However, the painting of the Last Supper can neither be divided nor interchanged. Thus, it's a non-fungible asset because it is unique. In the digital world, NFTs are one-of-a-kind asset that may be purchased and sold like any other piece of property, but they have no physical existence. The digital tokens might be compared to ownership certificates for virtual or actual goods. Although digital artworks can be endlessly duplicated, yes, they can be, but the certificate of ownership cannot be. So basically, when you buy an NFT, you do not get the art, but the certificate of ownership, which cannot be duplicated. The certificate has information about the seller and the buyer, and it can also contain the information about an agreement made between the artist and the buyer. The amount can be paid in any currency, including various cryptocurrencies. The data of the certificate is also stored on blockchain, similar to cryptos, and thus it cannot be forged. Now, if you do not understand blockchain, not to worry. We'll soon make a video on that, but for that, you'll have to stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. A lot of people consider crypto as digital currency and NFT as digital artwork, while others see it as a bubble about to burst. The future NFT lies in the hands of time, but it is surely a burning issue, and a big chunk of people are introduced to the world of crypto using NFTs. Hope you understood the basics of NFT. If you have any doubts, feel free to use the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon because we have a lot of videos lined up for you. Thank you so much.